I think using virtual reality as a tool demonstrates on two fronts that manufacturing companies are completely modernising, and it also gives them a real true understanding of what it's like to work in that environment. Being empowered as part of that worker from the get-go. You can really see from the experience how you're fully immersed, how it really replicates. Like, we're in a very busy manufacturing shop floor, but really I was transported. While I have no experience in that environment of doing something technical, I do feel already that, by the time I was doing it a second time, it really gave me an opportunity to try and improve in between those spaces very quickly. So I deal with a number of manufacturing companies all of the time, and one of our key pillars within the cluster is about developing the workforce. If you look in some of those manufacturing settings within pharmaceutical and medical, they're very complex, they're also high risk, but they're also very costly if a mistake goes wrong. So you can really see how a solution like Avatar Academy can really support. I think in Ireland, one of our key assets, and it's referenced time and time again, is our talent. And I can see here how virtual reality is a really strong enablement tool to support with this accelerated upskilling that we really need to embed into our companies and across our environments today.